Hey guys, we received this Maybury adults and the men T-handle ratchet driver for tested try. So it's a super universal socket tool set and can be give as a gift for men. It's a cool stuff gadgets or the birthday present. So this is really a nice pair of set. This 25 pieces set comes in a really nice box. These are the all tools that comes with it. So this is basically the 20 screwdriver bits and also a fit standard quarter to three quarters inch metric 7 to 19 mm and a universal socket with a 1 inch to 2.1 inch. So you can see you can elongate the length. This is the main manual ratchet. So you can easily put in the small thing or the different screwdriver, directly use it, or you can also put the long neck for the long thing. So very nice quality as you can see it from here. This is all metal, sharp and things. You can easily put in the socket in here. You can lengthen this length and then use all these different attachments. So this is a very nice universal thing that say like you want to just put in this socket in here and then you can put it in the top here and then you can just directly use at the end. So say like there are all the different sizes. So these sizes can easily come here by pushing this small metal pieces. So this will fit in any size. So it's a universal and then you can just use it directly. So quality wise, this is good. You can see like the spring and the quality and also the wrench thing with the holding is comfortable and the grip thing. So this is a really nice pair of design for your screwdrivers and things with the long neck with all the different screw bits and screwdriver bits. So you can see like the quality in here. So overall a very nice gift set.